Hi everybody, it's Jen, and I am here with the Temu haul, and Temu actually contacted me and asked me if I would review some of their products. So disclaimer that I did get these products for free, but let's see what I got. So this is how the package came. It came fairly quickly, more quickly than like AliExpress typically comes. I do have another Temu haul that I haven't posted yet that I got a month or so ago. It was a very long video, but let's go through this first. A lot of journaling items in here, so I have my journal off to the side so we can swatch some stuff. Let's get this big package out first. Okay, so this is a sticker binder, and I'm going to open it real quick. So I have several layers of stickers, like planner stickers, and they should fit right in here. And it has like an expandable or expanded spine here. It's about an inch or 3/4 of an inch thick. But yeah, it gives you lots of room for your stickers. So I'll fill that up and show you guys. But I thought it was really neat, and if it works, I may get more, and then I'll have all my planner stickers organized. So I did get that one, and I'll link it below. And I'm just going from biggest to smallest here. I have these dual tip acrylic markers. So I wanted to try the acrylic markers because I see a lot of people online using them for their just like doodles, and I thought they looked really neat. So stay tuned for some acrylic marker doodles. And these are, I like the size of these, so sometimes they're like really big. So this is the, I don't know if it just says water-based ink, opaque, waterproof, odorless, UV resistant, marks on canvas, glass, ceramic, plastic, wood. Oh, look how nice that is. This is a dual tip, so that's the big side. I really like that. And this is the fine side. Oh, ready to go right out of the package. I'm loving that. No shaking. Let's do one more color. Oh, I really like these. Oh, here's orange. Let's try the orange. Oh, I love it. I love it. Isn't that fun? Okay, we're going to be doodling with some dual tip acrylic markers. Love those. That is definitely a win. Okay. And then this one's sticking out at me. So this is a gel pen set, and I thought these were really neat. So I can't remember if they're all the same color or different colors. I mean, obviously they're different colors on the outside. Black. They all have these little nibs on them, so black. Okay, so I think they're all the same. I couldn't remember. But I thought that was neat. I can take some to work. And they're 0.5, so, and they're called Victory. Victory. 0.5 millimeter and retractable gel pen. So those are neat. They're very aesthetically pleasing. So black gel pens. And this one's sticking out at me. Oh, the watercolors. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm not going to swatch these because I don't have my stuff in front of me, but these are the ones that were called Candy, and they're shimmer solid watercolors. And I'm not a big watercolorist. I'd love to be, but I just haven't got there yet. Swatching these will be fun, but I'm going to see if maybe I can do just a abstract design or something. But look at these colors. Aren't they cool? Ah, there we go. Little palettes. There's a lot of paint in there. But yeah, so I'll get these back out, but those are neat. I like the colors. They had more than just the candy colors, so if I like them, I'm gonna get the other ones too. And they come in these this little box. So that's the 12 Shimmer Solid Watercolor Candy. Oh, I should show you this bag too that these came in. Has this zipper on it. That's pretty neat. It's just a plastic zipper, but it keeps it all together. Next, oh look, I got the vintage watercolor too. So let me show you those colors. Nice dark shimmer watercolors. Really liking those. Now I'm gonna have to watch some watercolor tutorials. Love those sets. Look at them. They do have, I think they have like 2 more. I think I'm gonna get them. Some of them only have 6 in them. Next, I got this cutter. Like, I've watched people cut washi tape and stuff with it. So let me see if I have some washi tape up here. So you take your washi tape, you put it in your journal, and then you just take your cutter, and of course you have to apply the right amount of pressure to not mess up your washi tape or cut your pages. And there you go. So yeah, it's just a really retractable, like, X-Acto knife cutter. So I thought that was neat. I wanted one of those for a while and hadn't bought it. I got these liquid gel pens in this carrying case. And let's watch these. So they're pretty neat. It's almost like a fountain pen, like the old fountain pens. Nice. There's the orange. Oh, I got the orange out again. And I like this teal. Let's look at this teal. Maybe it's green. It's like a teal color. And they're just like a ballpoint, not a ballpoint, but like almost like a felt tip. I'll show you here. I'll try this lime green. Love it. Okay, nice bright colors, and they work well. I'm gonna do the yellow, just because yellow's hard to see sometimes. Yeah. Okay, great. I love them. We'll use those in our journal. I'm gonna find more ways to use my pens, just because I have a lot of them and I need to utilize them more. But yeah, that is a win. I love those. Very nice pens. Then I got a sticker pack, or several sticker packs. And these just come in one big sheet. So there's the purples, pinks, greens, and yellows. So I'll use them. There you go. So I have something similar to this, and I either cut them out and stick them on, or you can just stick them on as one giant panel. And because the back side's clear, it makes a really nice frame or anything like that. So yep, just one big sticker sheet. You can take your retractable knife and cut around them. So yeah, those are really neat for journaling backgrounds and even like foreground, because they're clear. They won't go over what you already have. And then I think last but not least, I got this pack of safety pins, because on my mini albums and my journals that I do, when I do a dangle, I can attach the charms with the safety pins instead of trying to fumble with other mechanisms. So this is the easiest way, and because they're painted, they won't rust or anything. So I got this variety pack of safety pins. So I thought that was pretty cool too. So that is my Temu haul and all my swatching and testing. And we'll definitely do a couple projects with some of these items. I'm going to get my watercolor brushes out and practice my watercolor. We're going to do some journaling and use my retractable pen set, my stickers. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching this. Head on over to Temu, use my discount code, and all the links will be in the description below. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.